Hello, my name is Simone and this is Singing with Simone. I would like to talk to you guys about your soft palate. Now, some of you might not even know you have a soft palate, but you do. Everybody, most people do. I'm sure there's some people that don't. So, the roof of your mouth, if you were to yawn, that raises your soft palate. Now, not everybody can yawn on command, I realize. I've realized this over a number of years of teaching that people are like, but I can't do that. It has to be natural. So the other thing you can do is if you think about raising your eyebrows, instead of speaking in a sort of hoity-toity voice, yeah. So if you try that and say something like, twinkle, twinkle, little star, you can hear that there's more space in your mouth. Now, why do we need space in our mouth? Because when we're going up high, when we're going up the scale, then you need that space for the resonance in your face, in your mouth. And if you've ever been in a cathedral or even in a shower, you will hear that reverberation, that sound coming back to you. And that's basically what you're creating. You're creating a sound chamber in your head. So, got my trusty piano back here. So if I take a note like, oh, that's a lovely sound, and that's so pretty. But if you want to make it bigger, oh, suddenly it's bigger. Yeah, and there's a few things going on. I am raising my soft palate, so there's that part. The other thing that is happening is I'm also using my breath. So you're taking a big breath and you're going, oh. Now, there's one third thing. I always do this. Oh, it's just one thing, but actually it's a whole bunch of things. But to simplify it, soft palate, breath. The third thing is open your mouth. Now, I'm saying this to people all the time. It doesn't matter what age you are. People forget to open their mouths. And so they expect this huge song, but they only have a small, tiny hole that it's coming out of. And you can't get the same amount of sound. For instance, see? Not the same sound. So that's what I would recommend in this particular episode is open your mouth. Make that big cavern, yes. And breathe. Do the breathing first because that'll help you out. If you're breathing after, you've already let the horse out of the barn. So breathe first. Make that space. And then open your mouth. Yes. So if you have any questions, wonder about any other particular techniques that are maybe confusing, or maybe you're like, I would really like to sing really low, just post below what you would like to know and I will make an effort to address your question. Thanks everyone. Happy singing. Bye.